Hello, I am Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Union Minister of Science and Technology, Health and Family Welfare and Earth Sciences, recently announced that the Department of Biotechnology and the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research have sequenced more than 1,000 strains of coronavirus. Sequencing of coronavirus provides information that can be utilized for designing drugs and vaccines against the virus. As the virus changes its RNA rapidly, sequencing of many strains is required. It will help researchers understand how the virus is evolving, how different strains interact with the human body, and how to make drugs against COVID-19. On this occasion, Dr. Harsh Vardhan also released a compendium of COVID-19 technologies and products developed by the CSIR. The compendium covers a wide range of technologies and products spanning from diagnostics to drugs to ventilators and PPEs with more than 100 technologies. 93 listed industry partners and over 60 of these technologies have been transferred to the industry. Let's hear what Union Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan said at the event.
सब वैज्ञानिकों को हमने कहा कि आप बड़ी बड़ी रिसर्च करते हैं, लंबे समय तक करते हैं और लंबा समय करने के बाद उसके नतीजे निकलते हैं जो आप इंडस्ट्री के माध्यम से लोगों को पहुंचाते हैं। लेकिन कोविड के खिलाफ जो जंग है इसमें हम लंबी इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते। आपको जो कुछ भी करना है अपनी योग्यता का, अपनी ताकत का, अपने साइंटिफिक इंटेलेक्चुअल एक्यूमेन का, इन सब बातों का आप जो परिचय है अगले कुछ ही हफ्तों में, कुछ ही महीनों के अंदर हमको दीजिए। और आज मुझे खुशी है कि अभी एक कॉम्पेंडियम को मुझे रिलीज़ करने का सौभाग्य मिलेगा जिसमें लगभग 100 से ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजीज़ जो पिछले 3 महीने के अंदर और विविध क्षेत्र जो कोविड के खिलाफ जंग के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हैं उनके बारे में उनको साइंटिस्ट ने टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को विकसित कर लिया। विकसित करने के बाद 93 इंडस्ट्रीज़ के माध्यम से उनको लोगों तक पहुंचाने का काम कर लिया। और जब मैं देख रहा था इस कार्यक्रम में आने से पहले लिस्ट तो बड़े बड़े देश की इंडस्ट्रीज़, कोई रिलायंस की इंडस्ट्री है, कोई टाटा सन्स है, कोई BHEL है, कोई BEL है और बहुत सारे MSMEs, ये सारे लोग इसके अंदर हमारे जुड़ गए हैं।
In these unprecedented times, estimates of the expected rise or decline in the number of coronavirus cases can help the authorities to make sufficient medical and other arrangements for the future. Working around this issue, scientists from Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research or JNCASR and Indian Institute of Science have developed a model that estimates key aspects of medical inventory requirements for the time ahead. The estimates will help to scale up both the testing capabilities and the critical care facilities, which are essential to reduce the mortality due to COVID-19 in the country. As the disease character and the behavioral patterns of people change towards the disease, constant alertness on the part of the forecasters is needed. The model takes into account uncertainties in the parameters and reported infections by compensating them using representations. Researchers have tested the model by predicting the number of infections and deaths in Italy and New York State, and the results of the model closely match the actual outcomes. They have also carried out a similar exercise for India, where in addition to projecting the number of infections and deaths, they have also projected the expected range of critical resource requirements for hospitalization in a location. Various clinical trials are underway for testing the efficacy of drugs and vaccines against coronavirus. In this search, a repurposed drug, Favipiravir, has shown good results in treatment of COVID-19 patients who have mild to moderate symptoms. The good news is that the CSIR Indian Institute of Chemical Technology or CSIR IICT has developed a cost-effective process using locally available chemicals to synthesize this active pharmaceutical ingredient or API and has transferred the technology to leading pharmaceutical organization Cipla Limited. This technology developed by CSIR IICT is very efficient and makes it affordable and will allow Cipla to make large quantities of the product within a short span of time. Cipla has scaled up the process in their manufacturing facility and has approached DCGI for permission to launch this product in India. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.